Well, I had to give my chickens a bath. Didn't want to, but there it is. You may not like it, but you got to do it. I gave them a bath of permethrin because I was kind of tired of trying to treat their lice or mites with an organic method or several organic methods. Just didn't work out for me. So I gave them a bath. They didn't like getting caught, but I'll tell you what, once I put them in that 5-gallon bucket with the warm water mixture in there, they calmed right down and they really seemed to enjoy it. They didn't struggle at all once they were in there. So now hopefully that's one step closer to eliminating the mites from their feathers. I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the chicken coop so I can compost the bedding that's in there and everything that's under the poop deck from what they've donated to the cause every night for the last couple months. And then I'm gonna put that all in the compost pile, and that'll be the start of the gardening season for me. So I don't feel as though I'm behind in my gardening. And this definitely needs to be taken care of, so I'll be cleaning out the coop again. Lamp, just so I can ensure that they're, well, it's warm out now, it may get cooler later, and I want them dry. So hopefully they'll dry out in the sun. That was my plan. And now I'm going to clean the coop out. This girl here, she does not look happy. But we'll get her dried off soon. At least she's sitting in the sun. They actually enjoyed the bath, every one of them. Calmed right down when they got in the warm water. So hopefully that treatment I gave them will take care of the mite issue that they're having. At least I hope so. Now I got to clean out their coop. Well, I didn't show it last night, but the coop is a lot cleaner. All new fresh bedding. It's been washed and sprayed down. And I got to get some new dust bath matter for the corner. But I sprayed all the cracks and crevices and put diatomaceous earth down under everything. And the chickens looked a lot better. I had the heat lamp in here last night, so it was nice and warm, and all the chickens looked very fluffy this morning. I threw some dried leaves down in addition to the wood chips that were already there, and the chickens are starting to enjoy it. They're looking a lot fluffier than they were yesterday. They were a little bedraggled, as I said. They're doing a lot better now. Hopefully that bath that they took and having the heat lamp will help them get rid of some of the mites that have been afflicting them. I hope so.